Okay, hello everybody. This is me again, I missed World Cup a lot, here we go again. They call me Max Sound Music.
Let's go! Under the glow of 1,000 lights, history waits in the heart of the night. From distant shores to crowded streets, the world moves to a single beat.
Dreamers rise, believers stand, holding hope in their hands. One trophy, one stage, one destiny, a moment that echoes eternally. From the deserts of Africa to the mountains of snow, from city lights to villages where football dreams grow. Every touch, every pass, every battle unfolds, a story of courage worth more than gold. The roar of the crowd shakes the air like thunder. Heroes alert and the giants fall under. A single spark can ignite a flame and write a new chapter in football's name.
Raise your flags, let the whole world see the power of hope and unity. Millions of hearts beating as one. The journey has only just begun.
Oh, hear the nations calling. Oh, watch the legends rising. Every dream and every goal burning like fire within the soul.
Feel the passion growing. Like a river flowing.
One will standing side by side. World Cup fever, feel the pride. Lights flash bright, cameras locked on the stage. Young stars writing history page by page. Pressure so heavy, but they never fold. Playing for glory, not just for gold. Every tackle, every save, every run, a reminder that champions aren't born. They become from the streets to the spotlight. Chasing the crown, falling 7 times, getting up 8, never backing down. The whistle blows, and the world stands still. A test of courage, a test of will. One kick away from a lifetime of fame. One moment forever, remember by name.
Sing for the dreamers, sing for the brave, for every sacrifice that the players gave. Through victory, smile, and defeat's pain, the love of the game remain. Hands in the air, voices unite, turning the darkness into light. No borders, no walls, no divide, just a beautiful game worldwide.
Oh, hear the stadium shaking. Oh, a new dawn breaking. Every heartbeat, every cheer brings the world together here. Oh, let the banners fly. Oh, reaching for the sky. When the final whistle fades away, the spirit of football will always stay.
When the lights go down, the crowds depart, the memories remain in every heart. For generations yet to come, they remember where the dream was won. The game may end, but the story lives on in every child who kicks a ball at the